This beautiful textured ear warmer is just a simple 2-row repeat. I will show you how to make the fourth cluster stitch, and stay tuned till the end to see how the twist here is made. And I will also show you how to soften the acrylic yarn so it will feel smooth to touch. I made a 16 plus 4 20 stitches, so you have to make, you can make as many stitches needed to get the width for the ear warmer, then 4 more. Then on the fourth chain from hook, yarn over hook and insert the hook from the fourth chain from the hook and bring up a loop. Then yarn over and insert the hook again in the next stitch and bring up a loop. Now you have 1 2 3 4 5 loops on the hook. Now yarn over, go through all the first three loops on the hook, then yarn over and go through the second set of 3 loops on the hook. That is 1/4 cluster stitch. Now we are going to make another forked cluster stitch. This time we are going to yarn over hook and insert the hook in the last stitch we used right here. Then bring up a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over hook, insert the hook and bring up a loop. Now we have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over hook and go through the first 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over and go through the next set of 3 loops on the hook, and repeat this pattern till the end. The initial turning chain, it is not considered as a stitch. So then we are here at the last stitch. This is the last forked cluster in the first row. Then we are going to yarn over and make a double crochet in the same stitch to finish off this row 1. Now I have 17 stitches all over here, so we have to remember that this is not considered as a stitch, and these clusters plus this double crochet, it's together comes 17. Now to get to the next row, we are going to chain 1, then turn the work, yarn over hook and make a half double crochet in the first stitch. This chain 1 is not considered as a stitch, so here, and make half double crochet all the stitches. You can pause the video and make the half double crochets, and we will meet at the end of the row. We finished the row of half double crochet. Now we are going to row 3. Chain 2, then turn your work. The chain 2 is not considered as a stitch, so yarn over hook. We are going to do the forked cluster again, so start like a yarn over hook and insert the hook, bring up a loop, then go to yarn over hook, insert the hook in the next stitch, bring up a loop, and we have 5 loops on the hook. So yarn over hook, go through the first 3 loops, yarn over and go through the next 3 loops, and repeat the stitch pattern till you reach the desired length for your ear warmer. To soften the acrylic yarn, I use the steamer. This is I bought from Amazon. Just put the water in here, then plug it in, then you will get the steam, and you can use this to steam the acrylic finished product, so it will set your stitches. You can block it this way. Make sure not to burn your hands, the steam can be hot. So saturate it with the steam, then use your fingers to just make it flatten. Okay, to make sure which side we want. So look at this one and look at this one. I think I will feel more texture in this side, so I'm going to make this as the right side. So we make the right sides together and fold it just like this. The texture is like this. Both sides are beautiful. You have to decide which side you want, the right side. I'm going with this side. It feels more textured. So now I'm going to have my yarn needle ready to stitch it up. Fold it in half. Then you fold the widthwise halfway. Then cover this side. Then fold the other one over. Now we can stitch it together. Make sure you are going to stitch all the 4 layers. Fold it like this, then one layer, 2 layer, 3 layer, and I'm grabbing the 4th layer too. Make sure you got all the layers. Stitch it back and forth. So finish your stitching and we will see again. Finish your stitching and we will see again. Now that stitching is done, now what left is flip this over to the right side. And here it is. Did you like the texture of this pattern? It's a quick and easy project. If you would like to get more quick and easy projects, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment and share. Thank you.